What if I told you that getting rich isn't about how much you earn, but how you use what you already have? Most people think they need a six-figure salary to build wealth. But the truth is, wealth isn't about income. It's about strategy. And in this video, we're breaking down Ramit Sethi's best-selling book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, giving you a foolproof plan to automate your finances, eliminate debt, and build long-term wealth without giving up the things you love. This isn't another boring finance lecture. This is the step-by-step money game plan you were never taught in school. If you're tired of struggling with money, watching your paycheck disappear, or feeling guilty every time you spend, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint for financial freedom. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. The invisible money scripts controlling your life. Most people don't realize that their financial habits were programmed long before they ever earned a dime. Ramit calls these invisible money scripts deeply ingrained beliefs about spending, saving, and investing that shape our financial destiny. Think about it. Were you taught that money is scarce and hard to earn? Or that rich people are greedy? Maybe you grew up hearing, money doesn't grow on trees, or you should always save every penny. These beliefs sound harmless, but they quietly dictate how you handle money. If you believe money is scarce, you'll avoid investing and take fewer financial risks. If you think wealth is bad, you'll subconsciously sabotage your own success. Key takeaway: if you want to be rich, you have to rewire your money mindset. Ask yourself, what did I learn about money growing up? And more importantly, is that belief actually helping me? Lesson 2. The power of conscious spending. Enjoy your money guilt-free. Most financial advice says, stop buying lattes, cut out Netflix, never eat out, but Ramit's approach: spend extravagantly on the things you love and cut mercilessly on the things you don't. This is called conscious spending. Instead of feeling guilty about every purchase, decide up front where your money goes. Love travel. Great, spend more on it. Don't care about designer clothes? Stop wasting money on them. The key is to allocate your money intentionally, so you're not just spending, you're investing in your happiness. Action step. Write down your top 3 spending priorities. What makes you genuinely happy? Cut expenses in areas that don't matter to you and funnel that money into what truly brings you joy. Lesson 3. The 85% solution. Start now, perfect later. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke: they wait for the perfect moment to start. They want the best investment strategy, the perfect budgeting app, the ideal income level. And while they wait, years go by and nothing changes. Ramit introduces the 85% solution, which means it's better to take imperfect action today than to wait for perfection tomorrow. Don't have the perfect budget. Start tracking your spending anyway. Don't understand investing? Open a retirement account and fund it. Don't have a high income? Automate small savings. It adds up. Key takeaway: getting rich is about progress, not perfection. Just start. All the details can be refined later. Lesson 4. Automate your financial success. Want to know why most people fail at money? They rely on willpower. But real financial success isn't about discipline, it's about automation. Here's the system Ramit recommends. Direct deposit. Your paycheck into your checking account. Automatically transfer money to savings and investments before you even see it. Set up auto pay for bills and credit cards to avoid late fees. When you automate, You remove human error. You don't have to remember to save it. Happens automatically. Action step. Take 15 minutes today and set up an automated transfer for savings. Even if it's just $10 per paycheck, start the habit. Lesson 5. The truth about credit cards. Use them to get rich. Most people think credit cards are financial traps. But what if I told you they could actually make you richer? Yes, credit cards can be dangerous if you misuse them. But when used strategically, they can boost your credit score, earn you free money and rewards, protect you from fraud and theft. Here's how to use credit cards like the wealthy. 1. Always pay your balance in full. The moment you carry a balance, you're paying 20% plus interest. And that's how banks trap you in debt. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Never spend money you don't already have. 2. Use rewards cards to get free money. Every time you use a credit card that offers cash back, travel points, or airline miles, you're essentially getting paid to spend. Ramit recommends picking one high-value rewards card and putting all your expenses on it, then paying it off in full every month. Want free flights, hotel stays, or cash back? Your credit card can pay for them without you spending a dime extra. 3. Increase your credit limit every 6 months. The higher your credit limit, the lower your credit utilization ratio, which boosts your credit score, making it easier to get better loan rates, mortgages, and financial perks. Call your bank and request a credit limit increase every 6 months. No fees, no downside, just instant financial leverage. Action step. If you have a credit card, call your bank today and request a credit limit increase. If you don't have one, research a higher reward. No annual fee card that fits your spending habits. Lesson 6. How to invest. Even if you have no idea where to start, most people avoid investing because they think it's too risky, too complicated, requires a lot of money, but waiting to invest is the biggest mistake. Why? Because the number one factor in wealth building isn't how much you invest, it's how early you start. Sample: if you start investing $500 a month at age 25, you could have over $1 million by retirement. If you wait until age 35, you'd have to invest twice as much to reach the same amount. Here's the simplest investment strategy that anyone, even a beginner, can follow. 1. Start with a Roth IRA or 401k. These are tax-advantaged retirement accounts that grow your money faster than a regular savings account. If your employer offers a 401k match, always contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. 2. Invest in low-cost index funds. Forget stock picking or chasing trends. The S&P 500 index fund has historically returned 10% per year on average. Instead of gambling on individual stocks, invest in a diversified index fund and let compound interest do the work. Point 3. Automate your investments. Set up a monthly automatic transfer from your paycheck into your investment account. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, it will grow exponentially over time. Key takeaway: the best day to start investing was yesterday. The second best day is today. Open an investment account now and automate your first deposit, even if it's small. Lesson 7. How to negotiate like a millionaire. Get paid more and pay less. Here's a secret that rich people know and use all the time. Almost everything in life is negotiable. Your salary, negotiable. Your bills, negotiable. Even your rent, credit, card fees, and subscription costs. Yup, negotiable. But most people never negotiate and it costs them thousands of dollars every year. Here's how to start negotiating like a pro. 1. Negotiate your salary. Most people leave money on the table. Employers expect you to negotiate, so when you don't, you're leaving money behind before your next job offer or performance review. Research the market rate for your position and come prepared with a confident counteroffer. Script example. I'm really excited about this opportunity. Based on my research and the value I bring, I was expecting something closer to $X amount. Can we discuss adjusting the offer? 2. Lower your bills with a single phone call your cable, internet, or phone provider and say, I've been a loyal customer for X years, and I recently saw that competitor is offering a better deal. Can you match or beat that? Companies want to keep customers and they'll often lower your bill on the spot. Point 3. Get credit card fees waived if you ever get hit with a late fee, annual fee, or overdraft charge. Just ask for it to be removed. Call your credit card company and say, I noticed a $X fee on my statement. I've been a responsible customer. Can you waive this fee as a courtesy? In many cases, they'll do it instantly. Key takeaway. Every time you negotiate, you're putting free money back into your pocket. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes. Final takeaway. The choice is yours. Be now. You've learned the exact strategies to take control of your money and start building real wealth. But here's the deal. Knowledge is useless without action. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment below. What's one financial habit you're committing to change today? And if this video gave you a new perspective on money, hit that like button. It helps more people see this. Finally, make sure you subscribe because we're dropping more life-changing financial strategies every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.